Bullish Smooth Love Elixir (SLP) cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $0.015181 and $0.028676 by 2030. Market examiners accept SLP could reach $0.011808 by 2025. Bearish Smooth Love Elixir market cost expectation for 2023 is $0.002699. Smooth Love Elixir (SLP) acquaintance when it accompanies play to acquire games, a sheer vastness captures everyone's attention. As the principal NFT gaming title to cross $1 billion in deals, it is credited for putting play to acquire on the worldwide gaming map. Sky Mavis sent off the game in 2018, yet it required off barely a year ago alongside the NFT blast. A sheer endlessness was the previous summer's star convention, topping at close to a portion of 1 million day-to-day dynamic clients, DAO. A sheer endlessness is an NFT-supported play-to-acquire blockchain game where players gather beasts known as axies and fight them with other players' axies. It uses 2 tokens in its biological system: Smooth Love Mixtures, SLPs, and a sheer boundlessness shards, axes. Fundamentally, SLPs are acquired by playing the game. In the interim, Axes is an administration token that enables holders to decide on key choices like game functionalities and depository support spending. Before we assess on the off chance that SLP would be a productive interest in 2022 and the next few years, we should backtrack a bit. We'll carefully describe the job and utility of SLP in a sheer endlessness environment. What's more, we will cover the variables influencing the cost of SLP and what's in store plans of Sky Mavis. What is a sheer endlessness? A sheer endlessness support the play-to-procure interactivity model wherein players are compensated by just investing energy playing the game. Moreover, the players completely own their in-game characters or things as NFTs. They can sell it, acquire from it, or use it for ongoing interaction. This isolates a sheer endlessness from the vast majority of the present conventional close-circled games, where advanced things must be utilized in-game. It got to a place that the hindrance to passage was too high in light of the fact that the expense for purchasing the 3 axes expected to play the game was cosmic. In the interim, there are financial backers and business people who can undoubtedly lay out the assets expected to purchase axes, however, don't have the advantage of time to play. This market hole impelled the grant and society programs. Through an ASHIA grant, the administrator or society purchases or gives the 3 axes that the player, researcher, will use to play the game and procure SLP. They accept all the gamble to loan 3 axes to the new player. In return, they procure a portion of their player's benefit. The new clients play to procure an ASHIA boundlessness, permit their patrons to receive a portion of the benefits. Smooth Love Elixir is right now worth $0.003374 United States dollars. SLP has moved 0.91% as of now with an exchanging volume of $36,371,418. Smooth Love Elixir is right now positioned 274 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $139,777,903 United States dollars. Using the General Strength Record, RSI, Moving Weighted Normal, MWA, Williams Fractal, and Moving Normal Union Dissimilarity, MACD, from the diagram above. We can decide cost designs for Smooth Love Elixir, SLP, to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Presently, Sky Mavis is caught up with restoring its picture and tending to the hack that tormented its framework and thusly, a sheer vastness. It is presently offering a bug abundance to detect any weaknesses in its brilliant agreements or web-related frameworks. As needs be, white-cap programmers will get somewhere in the range of $1,000 and $1 million, relying upon the seriousness of every weakness found. In the meantime, bugs in the application or web connection points will be compensated with $15,000. Smooth Love Mixture, SLP, Value Expectation 2023. Smooth Love Elixir, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing cryptographic forms of money to rise this year, SLP. The SLP cost estimate for 2023 expects a critical expansion in the year's final part, potentially coming to $0.00506. Likewise with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be slow, however no significant drops are normal. Averaging $0.004723 in cost is very aggressive, however it is plausible sooner rather than later given expected coordinated efforts and progressions. SLP is supposed to have a base worth of $0.004048. Smooth Love Mixture, SLP, Value Expectation 2024. Of every 2024, Smooth Love Elixir SLP cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the possible declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of SLP will before long outperform $0.008434. In any case, we ought to hold on to check whether the SLP's overall strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, SLP will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $0.006747 and a typical exchanging cost of $0.007422. Smooth Love Elixir, SLP, Value Expectation 2025. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $0.011808 and SLP might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. SLP is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $0.010796 and a low of $0.010121 in 2025. Smooth Love Mixture, SLP, Value Expectation 2026. In the event that Smooth Love Elixir effectively helps market feeling among cryptographic money devotees, the SLP coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, SLP will be green in 2026. The SLP is supposed to reach and outperform its unequaled high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual money will be valued at $0.015181 with a base cost of $0.013494 and a typical cost of $0.014169. Smooth Love Elixir, SLP, Value Expectation 2027. After some broad gauging and specialized examination, we gauge the SLP cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $0.017543 by 2027, with a base cost of $0.016868 anticipated before the year's end. Besides, SLP has a most extreme value worth of $0.018555. Smooth Love Mixture, SLP, Value Expectation 2028. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $0.020916. In the event that SLP figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a greatest cost of $0.021928. Neglecting to assemble the help SLP needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $0.020242. Smooth Love Mixture, SLP, Value Forecast 2029. While SLP is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush connection, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at $0.023615 and a yearly cost close above $0.0253